KSA ahin pen quality education aputhak awareness campaign atai kedeng pon. Lakhain ko rapli Deupani MSC constituency ke parlo athagar namlang pialong KSA namlang piaro ahin pen skola hem ka humridam. KSA namlang piaro ameipu a Nilson Teron ahin pen Japonsi apar Deupani dakiram tok LP skola long an humridam. Lapen la solong LP skola long lo than bang dona tum sitame chetong dunrinti. La solong pirang an kisung alam aputhak tame than bang atum pen pachini ponrinti. Sonsi apar Deupani angkang ke inglongari saidea jok towar kahino lapen dolong sitame kememea jok kedam kebang tame ka siksak thetando. Lapen langroy lang ke thea hudlote ka cheleng ja phan tame akasik sak thetando pusi than bang atum pen pachini pon. Lasi jasemet towar lapen dolong hai hui rabjin pen kasemar pon serang ja phan lo than bang atum pen karbiang autonomous council aphan tuning report. Hanjang lang pen rajip torong pi report Malong News.
Apela dak school along abang ke lalo pinangan along abang enrollment along abang ke mission of high sini tum longpon sitami ladak abang teacher tum nang thandun lo ladak abang ke kasapsu hola toilet amukha hai bang langnang lang lapen ke school along hola isi ini school hala so along abang ke repairing abang jong se lang tum han kiba prap jin pulo tangte students tami Hansuri si pen abat sinang gali tuji ang rings tamila dak do ati teacher tumalang litung chipidu ka jok sila dak pinangan enrollment am khabang dak kimeng teklong pon lo lapen akiro paper pick nang jigala dak anggarwadi tum samalang litung chipidu pon pick lo lapen dak pinangan along sami cleanliness am kha sami tek pon long lo latakan enrollment abang ke lapen ati teacher tuman kami alang litung hana kiro paper pick alam thegela lo student atum sami pinangan ka chirong soy bang tek pon long athe ni litum karju ke thak long sami alang litum manar pon lo jelang litum experience abang ke mission litum tek pon long lo la sila dak abang ke kinang soda bang ke lalo boundary wall hai bang pinang po school repairing pinang po lapen toilet amukha hai bang pinang po lapen school long pinangan la partition hai kurinang jia long lapen bench desk hai sami asapsu ka durira dulang lasi nili ka chuningri mati nili tum ladak lo charlia song arnam lang pilo charlia song dili mai phu pen nili pachini pon kang tunga bang kelalo je non kidobom KCEM Cheroktok bia khai langli sami ladak na humri thura ladak kisung ki boy lapen teacher tum ka ke kiwang ka siksak tuwar lapen halabang swadulong kahing no jok alang litung apor pen stamira dak nang litong thedet sonta dokok titilo je tuwara long bangke ka siksak hitan lo athe ko an pen aning kan stamila dak ke claim nang jia long stame nang lile dara son ben si dokok lo lasi teacher tum atum stame helong ping pen kiwang atum ke ladak alang litum halabang solang roi hat pet pen ajok batuwar kahing no parpik pen ajok sialang litum stame apor ting pen nang lile de kokriti lasinili jungjung pen kipudam ji kang tunga bang kela loje pinangan along abang ke nili lo charle song pen alang litum han nili akiru paper pick abang ke alang litum chipiduk pick anu tin na teachers tum stame pini nili ladak na homri long lo je teachers tum an chipiduk pick lasi non kidobom KC tim kar biang long alang litum labang so atuwar lapel labang so dolong jong sidang litum yong si kilang pon pami ponsen mate ladak enrollment along la high school along pami sen ji polotang te nang litum aphan kachuning ridun ke lalo je towar pen la bridge abang ke nang litum tong se kot pen ang semar pipa prop jinsonte kidam ke bang atum stami ba sumar logi charli tum stami lang litum mesen med a resolve si ke bang ja por bang ke mesen med pon po busi nilitum kaduka vitamin ning chethe.
Good afternoon to you all. আজি আমার দাকিরাম তকবি এলপি স্কুলত KSA সংগঠন আমার স্কুলত সাডেন ভিজিট আইছে as instructed by our KAC autonomous council pen EM Cheroktok sir on behalf of Dakiram Tokbil LP school we are really happy to have such a visit to know the actual problem of our school, what we are facing. In our school we have 70 plus students, but we have only 2 teachers. We are really facing problem in teaching them. We have informed the KSA organization about our problem what we have faced. We have no kitchen set, and no separate toilet for boys and girls. And also one of the main reason is in our Upper Deopani there is a river and the bridge is broken. The students are facing problem to come our school and the teachers also really facing problem to come to school. We also inform them to construct a bridge as soon as possible so that we can conduct our class regularly. When there is rain, we are unable to come to school, so we are facing lots of problem on regarding this. So we, on behalf of all the teachers of Langhon Kidon cluster, request the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Authority to see the problem of the bridge and construct it as soon as possible. And also there are other problems which we are facing in our all school regarding teachers also. So I request to the organization to inform them, the higher authority, and give us another teacher in our school. Thank you.
Cheroktok piglo media tu han prang si Cheroktok piglo nilitum ke partang son sakta nilitum aku pini le thot stam nilitum school visit along nilitum aku deng pontulo asi pini bang ke nilitum ladak Upper Deopani Cheroktok LP school long nilitum nang lelo lape ladak nilitum nang ke le long ladak penang ana teacher tum stame alang litum ning kaching sam mate alang litum isi a meeting ki padope nilitum ladak nang ke le long rok nilitum aku pailo